Hey guys, so what's going on? I just have another video to share with all of you on how to flash or install Android Marshmallow 6.0 onto your Nexus device. For this video, I'm using the Nexus 6 phone and I'm running a Windows 10 computer. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and search for Nexus Factory Images. And that should bring back this official link here to the official developers.google.com page. Go ahead and select that. This is where you guys will find your factory stock images for your Nexus device. Now mine is right here at the top under Shamu for Nexus 6 right here. And basically what you do is look at the version over here and go down the list to the latest version. And there is the latest version for the Nexus 6 right now, 6.0, with that build number right there. So I selected this link because that one applies to me. I downloaded that to a folder I created on my desktop called Nexus 6. So go down through the list here and find the one that applies to you and your device. And let's go ahead and get right over to our folder. Once you download the file, it will show up as a compressed file like this, a .tgz file. Just use your favorite extraction program to right-click on it and extract those files. I use a program called WinRAR. You can also use 7-zip. Once you extract those files, guys, it will create a folder here. You simply go in that folder and there are your factory files, your factory stock files. And here is another zip file. I'm going to extract that one as well, just in case I ran into any issues here, I run into any problems. So I have all my files out here ready to go. And we'll go ahead then and I will copy the platform tools files over. So once they all extract, guys, what we do then is you get into your platform tools. If you guys have any questions or comments as to where I get my platform tools and how I downloaded them or where to find them on a Windows computer, please check the description below. I will have other links to other videos that you guys can go watch. And I show exactly how I put those on Windows computers. So basically select all these files here, guys, and click copy. And then what you want to do is come over and paste all those files into this folder. So basically right now, what I like to do here is click type, so that organizes everything nice and neat, keeps all my image files together. There's basically our Android Marshmallow factory files. And what we're going to do now is bring the phone up because the computer's ready to go, so we want to set the phone up so it's ready to go. So here's the Nexus 6. Basically what you want to do is go ahead and connect it to your computer. And at this point, guys, there's a few settings we've got to set up in here. Basically go into your phone settings here, go to About Phone, scroll all the way down, and then where you see build number, you want to tap this maybe 5 to 7 times till it says you are now a developer. Simply click back. There you'll have developer options listed now. So if you select developer options, make sure it's turned on. Come down the list, there's 2 things you want to enable. You want to turn on OEM unlocking, and you also want to turn on USB debug mode or USB debugging, and basically that's all you need to do there. And you should have a little notification up here. Looks like a little guy with antennas. So bring down the screen there, your notifications, and touch for more options. Simply choose the MTP transfer files one there. Okay, so now the phone should pretty much be all set up and ready to communicate with the computer. Again, if you guys run into any problems, look down in the description of this video and I should have some links. So now that we have that ready to go, we're going to go back into the Nexus folder that I created and where we downloaded all those files. Make this a little bigger because what you want to do, guys, is down here where there's like a white blank area, hold down the left shift key on your keyboard and right click your mouse. You are looking for this selection here to open command window. Once we get into this command, what you can do now is run ADB devices. Okay, and that's going to prompt, it should get a pop-up. There it says unauthorized. And how you correct that is, let me bring up the phone real quick. How you correct that is basically it's just another layer of security. Go ahead and check mark the box and then click OK. Okay, that's all you need to do there. And then what you want to do again real quick is just run ADB devices. And you'll see now it just shows the serial number and the device is just simply listed and it's now not showing unauthorized. So we're all good to go there. Now all you need to do is type in ADB reboot bootloader so we can go in and unlock the device. Okay, let me bring up the phone at this point and we will take a look. You can notice down here it says basically device is locked. What we need to be in is a unlocked state. So what you want to do over in your command window is type in fastboot OEM unlock and basically hit enter, and you're gonna get, let me bring up the phone, you're gonna get another pop-up here, okay? There's a few things gonna happen. And what this is telling you is gonna erase all your user data. So up until this point, guys, make sure you have everything backed up on your phone and saved or synced, however you do it, because this is gonna wipe your phone out. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and select yes, and then you get this other message, unlock bootloader, and it just tells you about, you're doing this basically at your own risk, and you could possibly void your warranty. So just use your volume keys to scroll up and select yes to unlock your bootloader and press the power button. So then now, if you take a look, you'll see it says device is unlocked. So we're all set. All we have to do now is simply come over here, and basically you can either type in where it says, let's find the file here, over here. Basically, where's that file? Flashall.bat right there. So you can either double click this file right here like that, and it will actually start flashing the phone, or you could type that into the command window. That's all you need to do. What's going to happen now is that this is going to go through and do all good stuff, and you can see on the device that it's flickering, going back and forth. Just look at it there. Nothing much really happening there, guys, but so it's pretty much all in here. Disregard the boot.sig errors and all that. It really doesn't apply. So what I'm going to do to save a little time is jump ahead now to where this is completed and restart the phone. And we'll go right to the welcome screen. Okay, guys, so you can see we finished here. That takes a little bit, a few minutes for that to go through and finish what it's doing. Basically, I can close out of all this and bring up the phone because it's restarting itself to the welcome screen where I will have Android Marshmallow. So if you guys were rooted, you will lose root with this, and you will also still receive your OTA updates. Okay guys, so I got through the welcome screen. I just want to go into settings to show you and verify that we did install Android version 6.0 and the latest build there. So that's all you need to do, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps some of you out. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share this video and subscribe if you guys haven't. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a good one.